Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the default browser on your MacBook. To change your default browser, first go to System Settings. Next, look for Desktop and Dock. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Default Web Browser. Here, you can choose any browser installed on your computer to be the default. I'm going to choose Google Chrome. And just like that, you've changed the default browser on your MacBook. I'll switch it back to Safari to show you the second method. The second way is to do it right inside the browser you want to use. First, open up the browser. In my case, I want to set Google Chrome as default, so I'll launch Chrome. Then, click on the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings. On the left side, select Default Browser. Then click the Make Default button. Finally, select Google Chrome to confirm. Now, Chrome is set as your default browser. If you check your system settings, you'll see it has automatically updated to Google Chrome there as well. Alright, so in this video, I showed you two ways to set any browser as default on your MacBook. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like to support the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.